In manual mode, you can choose to trim with a true edge trimmer. After entering the manual mode, first turn on the trimmer switch to start operation. Use the virtual joystick to control goat's movement. The farther you push the joystick from the center, the faster goat moves. Reduce speed when navigating near edges, corners, or objects. Trimmer height cannot be adjusted during operation. Select trim mode, then choose the specific edge segments you want to trim. Tap Start to begin the task. Trim mode allows you to trim the very edges of your lawn that the main blade disc cannot reach, achieving maximum coverage. For trimming around structures or obstacles within the lawn, you can define these areas as no entry zones. When selecting trim mode, the edges of these zones can also be selected for trimming.